Hello and welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can get 500 MB and use it to power all the apps in your Android phone. So please, it's for Android phone users only. iPhone users are not eligible. If you can get an iPhone, you can buy data. So let's get started. First of all, you need to get the 500 megabyte, and to do that you just need to go to your browser and visit this website, my cloud mobileclassroom.com.ng. Just scroll up and down, go anywhere on the website, click on hyperlinks wherever I want to click on. Stay a minimum of 3 or 5 minutes on this website and you'll be giving the 500 megabyte automatically. But just in case you are not giving a megabyte, you can still go to another website, schoolgate.ng. The same thing applies. You just browse around the website, 2 3 5 minutes maximum, and you'll be given a 500 megabyte. But just in case this still doesn't work, you can go to, if you have MTN app, just open your MTN app. Okay, I had already registered, but it's asking me to register again, so I'll just do it for the benefits of showing you guys what to do. All right, so when you sign up, and then when you open the MTN app, you see this play here at the bottom. You click on it, and then you go down, you see M Academy. Click on the M Academy, and you'll be prompted with this proceed, and then the website will open. So you just browse around here, 2 3 5 minutes maximum. You'll be given a 500 megabyte. But like I said earlier, this MB, this 500 megabytes is just to browse educational website. That means the data is restricted to the three websites, the two websites I mentioned earlier, and for this particular page on the my MTN page. So if you want to use it for WhatsApp, for Facebook, for Play Store, trust me, it wouldn't work. But that's where I come in. So I'm going to teach you how you can use the 500 megabyte to access everything on your phone. So what you need to do first is to download this VPN tunnel tweak. So with this VPN, you'll be able to access any websites using the 500 megabyte. Now you should know that this VPN is not on the Google Play Store. So I will drop a link in the description so you can download it from our Telegram group. Okay, so when you open the VPN, the first thing you need to do, you see this icon here, you tap on it to reload server. You see, refresh server list, but mine is already refreshed, so I'm not going to do that. Another way to stop the VPN, that's what I'm using to browse right now. You understand? So I'm not going to refresh, another way the VPN will stop, so I don't want to do that. So after refreshing this place here, this place that you're seeing MTN 500 MB to be showing custom, like it's the first time you're using that. So when you click on it, you now have to select 500 MTN 500 MB. So after selecting it, you click start. You see mine is already working, so there's no for me, there's no start here now, there's only stop that I see. If you come over here, you see at the bottom that VPN connected. You understand? So mine is already working. I don't want to stop it. So there will be start here at the bottom of this generator. You just click on it, and then the VPN will start and you can start accessing anywhere. As you can see mine. I'm on Play Store, it's very fast. I'm on Play Store. I use it for my WhatsApp, my Twitter, my Telegram, wherever it is. I use it everywhere. So it's not restricted to just educational websites alone. So thank you very much for learning. Share to your friends. Don't be stingy. Share to your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a like, leave comments if there's anything you don't understand. Thank you very much. Till I see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.